Ahoy, Notion enthusiasts. Prepare to set sail on a grand adventure that'll transform your mundane daily tasks into an epic quest for greatness. Behold, the Gamified Habit Tracker, a legendary Notion template forged in the fires of creativity and tempered with the spirit of One Piece. You ready to chart a course to productivity and banish those pesky bad habits to Davy Jones' locker? Let's set sail. First, let's dive into our treasure trove of data, the report database. It's as organized as a pirate's loot, divided into weekly, monthly, and yearly bounties of information. Now, grab your quill and let's log your daily adventures. For every good habit you've conquered, we'll hoist a checkmark on the today's flag. But beware, the map highlights today's date, reminding you to claim your victories before the sun sets. If you stumble and fall to a bad habit, we'll mark it with a dreaded X, the sign of a temporary defeat, but not the end of your journey. Our monthly report is like a pirate's spyglass, giving you a bird's eye view of your progress. Watch as the progress bars for each habit fill up like treasure chests. When you reach your monthly goals, they'll glow as golden as the sun on the horizon. The yearly report? It's your grand map of conquest. It shows how close you are to claiming your yearly bounties, helping you focus your efforts on the habits that need more attention. For you lucky dogs with the Pro version, you'll have access to a personalized goal-setting system as unique as your own pirate flag. Lastly, feast your eyes on the overview. It's split into good and bad habit territories. Your current streak for each habit is marked with a blazing fire sign, challenging you to keep your winning streak alive. But if your streak breaks, the fire turns to ice, a chilling reminder to get back on track. And what's a pirate's life without some flair? We've decked out your summary with vivid One Piece themed illustrations and a monthly tracking board that would make any navigator proud. So, are you ready to set sail on this epic quest of self-improvement? Remember, in this adventure, you are the captain of your destiny. Hoist the anchor and let's conquer those habits. Now, gather round, ye scurvy dogs, as we delve into the heart of our treasure map, the level up and booty acquisition systems. When you complete a good habit, you'll be rewarded handsomely. 500 berries and a shiny gold bar will be added to your treasure chest. It'd be like finding buried treasure every day. But beware, me buckos. If you succumb to a bad habit, the Sea Kings will snatch 1,000 berries and a gold bar from your hoard. It's a steep price for falling off the plank of good intentions. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Keep up a good habit for 7 days straight, and you'll earn yourself a genuine straw hat. It's not just any old hat, mind you. It's a symbol of your iron will and determination. And if you can maintain that habit for a whopping 60 days, you'll be blessed with a mystical devil fruit. These rare treasures grant you extraordinary powers to conquer any challenge that comes your way. But watch out. The seas of habit forming be treacherous. Fall to the same bad habit 3 times, and you'll lose your precious straw hat to the briny deep. And if you stumble 30 times, even your devil fruit powers will abandon you, leaving you powerless against the tempests of temptation. Let me spin you a tale of adventure and self-improvement that'll make your bones rattle with excitement. To ascend the ranks and become a true pirate legend, you must amass experience points like a dragon hoards gold. Every time you conquer a good habit, 10 shiny XP clink into your progress bar. But beware, fail to resist a bad habit, and those same points will slip through your fingers faster than sand in an hourglass. Now, you stand at a crossroads, with 2 fearsome pirate crews vying for your allegiance, the Beast Pirates and the Straw Hat Pirates. At this moment, you've got the strength of Tony Chopper, that adorable yet formidable reindeer. But hark, the pinnacle of power in Luffy's crew is none other than the rubber-limbed captain himself. How long will it take you to reach Luffy's legendary might? Well, that depends on how fiercely ye battle your bad habits and how diligently you cultivate the good ones. Will you train day and night, pushing yourself to the limit? Or will you be content to laze about like a barnacle on a shipwreck? Remember, every habit you conquer is a step closer to becoming the pirate king of self-improvement. So hoist your sails, grab the wheel and chart a course for greatness. The journey may be long, but with determination and a bit of pirate grit, you'll be shouting, "I'm going to be king of the pirates," before you know it. Now, cast your eyes on the grand notification board at the bow of this template. Every time you gain XP or lose aim to the briny deep, you'll find scrolls of your deeds in the activity notifications. And should you ascend to the next level of piracy, a hearty congratulations will sail into your message bottle. Right alongside, you'll spy the bustling Pirates Fair marketplace. It'll whisper tales of when you've hoarded enough booty to trade for the finest pirate gear. Keep a weather eye on it, for you never know when you might afford that shiny new cutlass or a fearsome parrot for your shoulder. Next, a glimmering chest overflowing with your hard-earned booty, representing the spoils of your habit-conquering journey. This be your treasure chest, showcasing the wealth you've amassed and can spend at your leisure. But what's a pirate to do with all this loot? Why, set sail for the Pirates Fair, of course. This bustling marketplace of desires be represented by your wishlist database, divided into 4 tempting quarters. Travel entertainment, for when you need to stretch your sea legs. Necessities, the bare essentials for any swashbuckler. Technology, gadgets and gizmos aplenty. Food, drink, to satisfy even the heartiest of appetites. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Each item in this fair comes with a price tag, but fear not. Our clever system compares your current booty to the cost of each treasure. When your wealth outweighs the price, a magical claim the booty button appears, allowing you to seize your prize with a single click. But wait, there's more. Spot a shiny new item that's caught your eye. Simply add it to your wish list. Be sure to give it a proper pirate name, find it a picture, and mark its value. Remember, Captain, this be no ordinary shopping spree. Each item represents a reward for your dedication to self-improvement. So hoist the Jolly Roger, keep conquering those habits, and soon you'll be living the life of a true habit pirate king. May your treasure chest always be full and your pirates fair forever enticing.